What is B stand for?
Bold, resilient, energetic. Actually, our other teammate made that name, but he's not present here.
Bold, resilient,
Resilient,
enthusiastic,
Analytical.
ambitious.
Good afternoon to everybody present here. We are named Bread. All of you know it by now. That is Ritvik, and that is Kailash. We are going to present to you our model today, which is a solar panel, automatic light sensing solar panel. Now all of you are wondering, why is there a Batman logo on your screen? Right? Yeah, Batman logo. Welcome to Gotham City. Batman. How many of you know Batman here? All of you know Batman, right? So Batman goes to save Gotham City at night. He needs power to light his entire house during the day. But he's not going to go save Gotham City during the day, right? He's going to go at night where nobody expects him to come save. That's why we came up with the Batcave. Our model is inspired with a situation like Batman's. He needs power to light his house and energize his house during the day. So what he needed, exactly we gave him. An automatic light sensing solar panel which maximizes efficiency to harvest solar energy and store it and light his house. Now this project uses two LDR sensors, one on the back and one on the front. LDR sensors are sensors which capture the solar energy or any light energy and they convert it into signals where the microcontroller can read. And then we used a water sensor so that suppose it's monsoon and Batman is sleeping all day in his house. He's not controlling the solar panel. So when the water sensor automatically detects water, it will go 180 degrees, which we will show you later on. And then when both the sensors are not detecting any light, for example, in a cloudy situation or at night, it will automatically resurface to 180 degrees. Now, the overall objective of this project, I already explained. It's for when you want to capture solar energy using the combination of these three sensors. Now Ritik will explain all the components used and
program called Arduino. Before we were using ESP32, but due to some because we didn't need Bluetooth for our thing, we changed to Arduino for efficiency. Then we have servo motor which helps in the rotating of the solar panel, water sensor for detecting water during rain, and like two LDR sensors for the sunlight, and one buzzer for when it's raining, you know that it's raining and someone can turn it off. Then jumper wire for internal connections. So this is the LDR. This is the where you project the light and it will understand that the light is there. This is the water sensor. So when water is on this, it will send to the microcontroller that the water is detected. This is the buzzer. It gives the sound when the water sensor has detected some water. Rating of the solar panel.
Obviously, Batman doesn't know how to code because he's busy saving the city. So, how we coded this is pretty simple. We used analog read for the servo motors using basic for loops. How it works is that it compares if a light is placed on one of the LDR sensors, the solar panel will slowly move towards that towards that LDR, and if it's towards this LDR, it will move towards the other sensor. And if both of them don't sense any light, it will come back to base position again using a for loop. And for the water sensor, we use an if condition. Like if the water is on the water sensor and is being sensed, there will be a high value given out by a digital read condition. And if water is on the sensor, then it will completely become straight, the solar panel. especially when water is on the solar panel. Why we make the solar panel perpendicular to its base position now is because water stagnates, and we can't have Batman get diarrhea or any disease, and he won't be allowed to go and save the city, right? So to prevent these kind of water stagnations and spread diseases, and that's why the solar panel becomes vertical. And another way to use this as an application is we can harvest the water when it's raining. The lead architect of the project who built Batman's cave.
So basically, in Hyderabad, the electricity bills have become very expensive. And even though Batman is like Bruce Wayne is very rich, he wasn't able to pay for his bills. And especially with all the equipment he needs, he's putting all of his money into that. So initially, he had put in solar panel, which was it only stayed at one place. And after that, it was still not very efficient for him to get enough current to his house. So he reached out to us to make him this basically. This is just a small model of his actual house. It's not his actual house, by the way. We have used a lot of cardboard for this, especially. So all of the working is inside of this box, including all of the wires, and the two sensors are over here, including with the water sensor, which is over here. If water falls over here, it will detect.
How this project works, we need a flash. If you keep it towards there, the solar panel automatically move towards this exact area of the sun. And if it comes this side, then it will slowly move towards this side. And if both the sensors are not detecting anything, suppose it's cloudy, it will automatically resurface to parallel, so that it will try to collect as much sun as it can, because we do not know the location of the sun. And suppose it's raining, it will become exactly 180 degrees. That is our model.
Excellent. Okay, I just wanted to give you a feedback genuinely that I like the reference where you have took a character from DC, Batman, and made this presentation in a comic way and a funny way. I literally laughed 2 or 3 times by the way you people have presented to this. And my first impression by looking at the model, I was like, there's a meme, right? Arey, try the. It's like that. I was like that actually. To be genuine, I was like that. By looking at that, what they have built. But when you people have taken the reference like Batman, Batcave, I was convinced, yeah, Batman stuff will be basic and rugged, and I can see that exactly. And who is that much creative to draw that bat logo? I don't know the creativity levels.
Absolute artist.
So it's good actually. It's a very good clean way of presentation, and I like the comic way of explaining the presentation. Yeah, it was really funny, and it was really impressive, the presentation and the model. And I like the presentation, and you can keep this model. I take back my words that I'm going to take away the model.
It's like layman
Yeah.
also can understand. That is how you used your explanation.
Guys, all the best for your future and for your career and your projects and whatever it is. I'm really happy to assist every one of you for any programming or any other upgrades. So thank you.